Namaste. This is Dolly Jain, and ever since the video has been released of Jacqueline Fernandez in the song Genda Phool, I've got a lot of requests from all of you to do a tutorial on the drape that she's wearing in this song. And as you all know, your wish is my command. So without wasting time, let's get started. So let's get started, guys. What she's wearing is a beautiful crop top blouse, which has puff sleeves. This is from the brand Drape Diva. She's wearing a D-coat from the brand I Am by Dolly Jain. What we are doing today is the Jacqueline Fernandez Drape. It's a Bengali drape, but since Jacqueline has worn it in a little different way, I think from now onwards people are going to know this particular drape as the Jacqueline Fernandez Bengali Drape or the Jacqueline Fernandez Drape. So normally when I keep telling you all to do the basic tuck is only 2 inches from your navel, but in this drape you're going to, in the Bengali drape, you start your you start your basic tuck from here. This is where you start your basic tuck from. After you've done your basic tuck, just tuck them from behind and all over, just maintaining the length. This is a beautiful sari from the designer Dolly Jain, and I'm going to share in the number in the description below, so you can directly get in touch with the designer also. Okay, so after you've done this, what you need to do is, why we start from here is, the reason behind is, in Bengali drape, we don't put those normal pleats. There's a reverse pleat that's been put, in this drape. So that's the reason you need to start this from this side. Otherwise, when you're going to walk, you'll be able to see your underskirt. So you don't want that to be seen, right? So that's the reason we put this. So now you have to put a pleat like this. Look at this. Normally we put our pleats like this, right? In this, you're going to pleat it up like this. This goes here. And right below your princess line, you're going to take this, just come this side and tuck. See to it that the whole fabric is taken equally, taken neatly, because draping is all about doing the pleats neatly. So then you do your second also, you do your second pleat just on top of it, like this, and this, and tuck the whole fabric inside, like this, correct? Now what you need to do is, you just need to check whether your fabric is, how long is your fabric, how big is your fabric. Okay, so now you start making your shoulder pleats, otherwise you will not be able to measure right. So this is how I make my shoulder pleats. It's the throw and hold process, and I think by now you all know how to do it. So I'm just making these pleats and resting this on the shoulders, and instead of using too many pins, I'm using these pegs to hold my pleats and making my pleats further down. Again, making some more, because the length that we want is still not come. So this is the length that you should be having behind. Any which ways, I keep telling you all, the longer you leave behind, the taller you look. So I think this is great. You can just put this, add a pin here, and just rest this on your shoulders. I haven't attached it with the blouse, it's just there with the sari. You can take off your pegs now. Now you need to see that how much fabric is left. This is a lot of fabric. So then you have to make one more pleat, okay? So same way, you take this and you tuck this in till where you tucked in earlier, okay, and bring this fabric back, same way. So basically, instead of getting 2 pleats in this sari, you're getting 3. Otherwise, you normally, in normal saris, I mean a sari which is not hand woven like a Banarsi sari or something which is maybe a power loom sari, like hand woven saris still are quite has that width, but a power loom sari is not that it doesn't have that much width, so you might get only 2 pleats. So you can do this. After you've done this, just see to it that the border is nice and straight, so like this. So after you've done this and you've measured that how much fabric is left, then what you need to do is, see, this much is the fabric that's left. Just take this and just take this part and tuck this in here neatly. Look, nice and neat, just tuck the whole thing inside. And what you need to do is just overlap everything with these pleats like this. And this has to be nice and tight. If you want, you can pin it up. But I think even if you just keep it like this, you'll be able to manage it well. And this is how it is. So when she's in her song, she's just worn it like this. But if you wish to, what you can do, because the palla is so beautiful, what you can do is just take this and take a slant way and take this here and add a pin and add a pin here like this, and you can rest it like this. And I think you can just add in your jewelry and the rest. I think it's a very, very easy drape, guys. You just need to start from here and take it all the way around. Make 1, 2, 3 big pleats, and that too reverse pleats. And after you've done that, just make pleats, throw it up and just measure how much it is. It should not be too much. I mean, it can be this much, and if it is less than that, just remove 1 pleat. And then you just need to tuck that part here inside and get that beautiful finished look here. And to pin up, you can always take a pin. If you think that if you're sitting and it might come out, you can always take 1 pin and attach a pin on this. It's there, but it's not going to be visible. And that's it. Just put another pin on your blouse and 1 pin here. So basically, the total in this drape, we've just used 3 pins. So you get this drape, the Jacqueline Fernandez Drape. I hope you're going to try this, and please do leave a feedback. In case you're getting stuck anywhere, you can always DM me. I will definitely reply back. And there are about 12 variations of doing a Bengali drape. I will definitely make videos one by one. So till then, practice this, and the next video is just going to come very soon. And stay blessed, take care, and be positive. Jai Hind.